Hello everyone, welcome to our Media Trader Experts tutorial. Today we are going to introduce the Comfracti's indicator and how to use it. And this video is for the user. First, we can open the strategy tester here and choose our indicator here, and click the experts properties. And when you see this window, you can see there are many variables. And let me introduce the variables one by one. First, I separate these variables to 7 parts. Part 1 to 7, and the part 1 is the order-sum part. First is the magic number, and the value is any value is okay. It's just ID of this order sent by which indicator. And the second is the top. It means as I said in the previous video, this indicator order will close by the top profit and the stop loss. This is the initial value. And by the way, the value means 1000 means 1000 multiply the point of the current and the point, for example, in this situation, the point will be 0.00001, and 1000 means 1000 multiply 0.0001. Also the same with the stop loss. Is the trailing stop. There is 2 switch, and the first is if you use the trailing stop, and the second is if you use the algorithm inside the this function. And this is the value to twitch the trailing stop algorithm. You can try the best value by yourself, based on your situation of the market and the currency you want to make deal with. In my situation, 300 is the best. And the part 3 is the get lot function. And this function, as I said in previous video, and this function is the anti strategy, which means if the previous order lose money and the order this time will have a big loss. And the is the core algorithm inside this function. And if you choose true, and this will work. If you choose false, this get lot will not work. That's the control switch of this function. If you choose false, and this function will not be used, and the lot will always be the value you set here, 0.1 or 0.2 or whatever you want. If you choose true, and this lot size will be redefined by these 2 values. The first is risk, the second is the multi-lot. And the algorithm will return another value of the lots based on these 2 values. And part 4 is the most important core algorithm in this advisor. And this PSV function will return 3 value, 1, 0, and -1. Also, there are 3 indicators which will also return 1, 0, and -1 to indicate if the how the market goes. And if you want to know furthermore, you can watch the introduce video I uploaded previously, and here I want to see much more. I just introduced the values. Here is the parameters to optimize the fructose indicator. These three values is used to optimize the RSI indicator. And here these two values is to optimize the starch indicator here. And these three indicators will decide the return value of PSV function, so it's very important. You can make a carefully optimization based on your situation. And part 5, I think you can ignore it because this part is really bad profit. But you can try. These two indicator is also one of those members, but you can try to add it to the PSV function. If this express will work better, you can try, but I do not recommend to add it. And part 6 is others. This means there is a switch to control the buy order and the sell order. If you choose false here, and the expert supervisor will not send the buy order. If you choose false here, the expert will not send a sell order. If you decide which you want. Of course, we shouldn't choose both false. If we did that, the expert supervisor will not work. And the final part is the max order count. This value means the allowed existed suspending order at the same time. If your value is 2, and it means there at the same time there will be at most 2 order suspending. That means the order haven't closed but have sent. If the value is 10, and there will be 10 suspend values most. Okay, that's all. Here is the contact information. If you want to know further more and have any confusings, you can contact our project owner, Master Sajedi, and me, Hongjing Wang. Thank you.